Just put it in your mouth and then you suck in a big hole.
And then cover it.
There ain't anything in here.
Keep talking, don't waste it.
There's nothing in here.
But your voice is so
Oh my god, I'm getting a headache.
Her voice is so
Alvin, Simon, do you know?
I can't.
Oh, your voice is back to normal now.
John, do it again.
Yeah, let me do it.
I don't think there's anything in like this much stuff here. We represent the lollipop kids, lollipop kids, lollipop kids. My head.
Helium actually doesn't do damage to the body though, believe it or not.
Hey, how's it going? My head hurts. Do I sound normal?
Do more. You gotta do a lot because you have a deep voice. Yeah, it does give you a head rush.
Hey, how's it going? My name is Jay. How's it going?
Do the lollipop, do the lollipop.
I don't know a lollipop. Lollipop.
Talk. Because you have deep voice, so you gotta do a lot with you. Go buy one of those helium tanks.
You gotta get, yeah. Dude, your voice is hilarious.
Because she has very light voice.
Sure.
We gotta put that shit out.